Ever felt like your money just slips through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to budget? You're not alone. That's why today, we're diving into PocketGuard. But the real question is it actually easy to use? Let's find out. For those unfamiliar, PocketGuard is a personal finance app that aims to simplify your financial life. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your spending. The idea is to give you a clear picture of your financial health and help you make smarter money decisions. Ease of setup. The first hurdle for any app is the setup process. With PocketGuard, it's surprisingly straightforward. Once you download the app, you'll need to connect your financial accounts. This might sound intimidating, but the app guides you through the process step by step. It's as simple as entering your login credentials. The user interface. A good user interface is crucial for any app, especially a financial one. PocketGuard scores well in this department. The app's design is clean and intuitive. The dashboard provides a quick overview of your spending, income, and savings. You can easily navigate to different sections like spending categories, bills, and savings goals. Key features and how easy they are to use. Automatic categorization. This feature is a game changer. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your transactions, saving you time and effort. While it's not perfect, it's accurate enough to be helpful. Savings goals. Setting savings goals is a breeze. You can create goals, allocate funds, and track your progress. The app even suggests savings goals based on your spending habits. Bill tracking. PocketGuard keeps track of your bills and sends you reminders. It's a simple yet effective way to stay on top of your finances. Insights and recommendations. The app provides personalized insights into your spending habits. It can identify areas where you can cut back and suggest ways to save more. The learning curve. While PocketGuard is generally user-friendly, there's a slight learning curve, especially for those new to personal finance apps. It might take a few days to get used to the interface and the various features. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of the app. Is PocketGuard easy to use? Yes, for the most part. The app's intuitive design and straightforward features make it accessible to users of all tech levels. However, like any financial tool, it's most effective when used consistently. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to manage your finances, PocketGuard is definitely worth considering. It's a great tool for those who want to take control of their money without the hassle of complex spreadsheets and budgeting tools. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.